Hey guys, I hope everybody's been doing great. So this is going to be your reading for the month of August. Please keep in mind that this is a general reading. If you feel like it doesn't apply, please take a look at my other videos to check out your moon, your rising, and your Venus signs. So, hey Taurus, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. Ooh. Oh, y'all, you see how to slide this to the side. We're going to clarify today because it's split. I'm seeing two things. So I feel like for those of you that are single and you've been out there dating, I feel like Spirit is saying you do need to decide what it is that you want, because you've been entertaining somebody that came back around, which is an ex, and I feel like this ex ain't it, okay? This ain't the person. So I do feel like for some of you guys, Spirit is saying that you need to release your ex, and as soon as you do, there's new love coming into your life, but you got to let go of this person. That's what they're saying. Decide. Do you want to stay with this person and be miserable and unhappy? Or do you want to let that hurt go, let that person go bye-bye, because there's somebody else way better coming in for you? So, yeah, that's one part that I'm seeing. The other side to it, somebody from y'all past coming back, okay? There's somebody coming back, guys, and I do feel like this person has changed because they were dealing with an ex. This person was definitely karmic. I keep hearing karmic, soulmate, karmic. So this person put them through it all, okay? And they helped them go through this transformation. And I feel like they already decided that they want to come back to you to work on things. They're just afraid on how to do it because, one, they got to get rid of this person. They need to free themselves 100% before they even try to approach you. But when they do come back, they're coming back correct. And see, oh, I just happen to look down. There's religious factors. See what I'm saying? This person definitely went through an awakening. So it's going both ways. So let's clarify and see. Tell me about very soon. Let's see which way the tip of the scale is going to go. Look, past life relationship. So definitely whoever this is someone that you guys dealt with in a past life. Tell me more. Let your friends help you. See, it's still going both ways, because for my single Taurus women and men, I do feel like there is somebody coming in for you, and this person you definitely dealt with in a previous lifetime. And so I do feel like your friends are trying to help you meet someone new. Like, they're trying to get you out there, like, hey girl, I got somebody for you, or I know such and such, or hey, you know, bro, I got somebody. You know, they're trying to hook you up because they're like, you know what, you're too good of a person to be by yourself. Tell me more. Look at that. Stay optimistic about your love life. I'm telling you, it's being split, because I'm really feeling like for the single people that, you know, you're not really dealing with anybody except for this ex that needs to go. I feel like Spirit is saying they want you to stay optimistic because there's somebody coming in for you. Give me one more card on this column, please, for Taurus. I'm trying to see which way this is going to fall. Retreat. It's time to disconnect from the world. It's still going both ways. Okay, because for the single Tauruses, I do feel like some of you guys are just like, when you get rid of this person that you've been dealing with, you're just gonna like take a break and just focus on you so you can heal. But I do feel like your friends are trying to like set you up. They're trying to help, or your friends could be trying to help you heal from what has taken place in previous relationships. For those of you that have someone from the past coming back, I do feel like they're asking their friends for advice because they know about this connection that you two share, and they're trying to stay positive, or they're hoping that you're going to stay positive when they come back in. But this person is at a distance from you. Excuse me. This person is at a distance from you. There's definitely some type of separation. So let's see. Tell me about release your ex. Children. Love life is being affected by children. So some of you guys are dealing with an ex that is very childish, okay? For others of you, Somebody's trying to get out of a situation with an ex, but they might have a child or they may have children with this person. Tell me about children. Honeymoon. Okay. They're planning to come back. Honestly, the way this is looking, for some of you guys, it could be children involved. I just really am picking up the energy that the person that you were dealing with was just being very childish. And it was due to the fact that an ex came back into the picture. For those that have somebody coming back. But see, they're trying to love themselves first before they come back. They're trying to stand up for themselves because they're tired of listening to what other people want, what they have to say about what they're doing with their life. This is why they're unhappy. I'm still seeing it split because single Tauruses, I'm like, y'all gotta let go of this person. Y'all ex is childish as hell, okay? It is what it is. I'm saying it. They're childish, okay? And I feel like you guys are planning to leave this person, or you're trying to figure out how to do it. But at the same time, I don't know if like y'all have children. That could be what it is, or it's something, because you're trying to get out of the situation, but you're trying to stand up. I don't know if it's like your family feels like you need to be with this person. There's a reason why it's like you're feeling attached to this individual. Let's see how this goes with new love. This is still going both ways. Give your relationship a chance. So it could be somebody new coming in. They want you to give it a chance. For others of you, this person's coming back. They want you to keep an open mind. See what I'm saying? It's split. There's codependency here. Addictions are affecting your romantic life. Ooh, let's see about that. Clarify codependency. Soulmate. It's split. We're just gonna have to dive in, y'all. It's split. It's definitely split. I'm telling you, for the single ones, there's somebody new that's coming in. This person is definitely one of your soulmates. And Spirit is saying you need to have an open mind. Stay positive. But that codependency could be towards you. You're codependent to somebody from the past. You're codependent to situations that took place in the past. And it's like your guard is just up. And you're basically not willing to give someone a chance. Or you're saying you are, but you're really not, because you're afraid of being hurt. For those that have somebody coming back, I do feel like this person's going to show you that they're serious this go round. They're done playing games, because they went through hell with this other person, and they want you to keep an open mind about them, and they would like for you to give them another chance. But even though they're your soulmate, they were stuck in a codependent situation with this due to this ex. So we're going to hop in, because when I break it down, it's going to show me if this is a single reading or if this is still, if it's a single reading, or if it's a single reading for you guys that got somebody coming back that you used to deal with. So we're going to see. Let's slide this up, because this can go, it can go either way. Taurus, y'all ready? Oh, Lord. All right. Spirit, what messages do you have for Taurus, please? Bottom of the deck, I have the Wheel of Fortune reversed. So basically, somebody's still going through karma, going through lessons, and this is why they're not moving forward just yet. This person doesn't want you to cut them off. So you could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. Why is the Six of Cups here? Okay. Somebody's been dealing with something from the past, whether it's like an ex from the past, family situation. I feel like whatever's going on that's been standing in the way of you guys working out, being together, I feel like they're trying to clear away those obstacles, because it's been an interference here. See, this person definitely left you out in the cold due to somebody in their past, family, whoever it is. But see, there was definitely a third party here, and I feel like they're removing themselves from some type of third party situation, but they know that they hurt you. You're disappointed in them. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, but that could be somebody's mother interfering, or if not, it's an ex. But somebody was definitely interfering, and this is why this person is not being positive if you're going to take them back or not. So they made a decision. What's their decision? They don't know what to do. This person is like confused. They're like, I gotta choose the best option here. I don't know. Somebody's definitely dealing with an Aries. But I feel like this person wants to have stability with you. What is going on? But they broke your heart. due to that third party situation, and they're regretting everything. They're regretting their choices. They're just regretting it all. And this person is keeping an eye on you because I feel like they don't want you to move on. They don't. Because at one point this person was moving really slow, and now they're getting ready to pick up the pace. See, look at that. Queen of Pentacles. That's you, Taurus. You guys are just, you're focusing on yourself. You know, I feel like you guys have just been healing, and you're just ready to move forward, and just, you're ready for anything that life has to offer. You're ready for your blessings. Some of you guys could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio here, but this person, whoever messed up, they feel like they're not going to be able to have a new beginning with you. But Spirit is saying they're not using their intuition. Because they're sad. Somebody's sad here. Somebody could be taking a financial loss. Tell me more. Yep. Due to a third-party situation, there could be a financial loss that is taking place, but I do feel like they're wanting things to improve with their finances, but at the same time, they're wanting things to improve with you. And so this person is trying to stay confident because they do want to start over and build something solid with you. Somebody could be dealing with another Taurus. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But I'm telling you, this person feels like you don't want to have a commitment with them because they play too many games. And at this point, whoever you've been dealing with, they have a hard time opening up and showing you how they truly feel. This is why they're not putting in the work. Could be dealing with a Gemini, but this person cares about you. They love you, and see, they want to come and give you an offer, and they're trying to have hope that, you know, they're hoping that you're going to take it. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius. So let's see. I'm telling y'all, there's an offer coming. There's definitely an offer coming that you deserve because they do not want you to walk away from them. They don't. Tell me more. But see, this person wants to balance things out, but somebody was giving to two. Somebody was like trying to work on things with, honestly, yeah, there was a third party here. Somebody was helping them out financially, but I feel like this person wants to come back to work things out with you, Taurus, but at the same time, somebody has to cough up money. Like, somebody's going to have to give to someone, whether it's you or the other person. So somebody's going to have to give up some type of finances, yeah. There's some type of document, contract is what I'm feeling like here. Yeah, and this is why somebody's afraid that their finances are not going to improve. I'm telling you, somebody has to give up some type of money. There's some type of truth coming out. Tell me more. Yep. And once this truth comes out, they feel like they're not going to be able to work anything out with you. You're not going to take them back. And this is why they're having a hard time saying anything. Because they feel like you're not going to give them a new opportunity. Because in the past, they were being harsh to you, but I feel like they're going to rush back in to say something. But look, they feel like they're going to lose you. There's some type of truth coming out. They feel like this person feels like they're going to lose you for good. See? You could be dealing with a Libra, but I'm telling you, somebody's trying to get out of a legal situation, or they're going through court situations right now. Yeah. Somebody's going to come. There's some truth coming out. Yep. And they feel like they're not going to have a happy home, or maybe this person doesn't have a happy home. See, that's 2 4s. There's a home situation going on. So that could be why I see someone having to give up money. Somebody has to pay. Yep. And you know what? Because of this is why I saw this person going through a transformation. That's why they're coming back as a new person. They went through the most with this. Because, see, in the past, this person was being sneaky. Now they're cleaning up their act. Now they know what they want. They made a decision. But they're frustrated within themselves, and it's just like they're still not speaking their truth. This is why they're not moving forward. They still feel stuck in a situation. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Cancer, but they're afraid that they're not going to have a new beginning. And they're not happy about that. Somebody's dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo, but this person definitely is working on their stability. I do feel like they want to be content with their finances, but at the same time, they're coming back to give you a secure offer. With that being said, they do want to move things forward with you, Taurus. They want to be with you. They see themselves having stability with you, but there's somebody in the background. I'm telling you, they're going after their money. I don't know who this person is. I don't know if it's it's a family member, if it's an ex, because remember, I got released your ex. It could be an ex, girlfriend, boyfriend, somebody they were married to. Somebody's coming after their finances, and it could be due to children. This person was very immature and childish. Somebody was dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or a Scorpio. And I do feel like at the end of the day, this person knows they hurt you, and this is why they're dragging their feet to come back towards you. Could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, but this person wants to balance things out with you. And they're talking to someone because they want to take a leap to come back towards you to fix things. But right now, they're not making a move. They're trying to get out of something. They're trying to get something with their finances, with this ex, settled first before they make a move. They're still going through their karma, guys. Karma, guys. Karma, guys.